Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we will see how to know if someone has blocked you or deleted their account on Instagram. So let's begin. For this, first of all, you have to go to the Instagram app. Now, if you have had any conversation with the particular person, then you can simply go to the chat section and tap on their name. Now, click on the view profile option, and there you will see that I can neither see their followers list nor their following list. And even though I had followed them before, I'm not being able to see their profile, and although I'm trying to send them the follow request, it's not working. So it means that they have blocked me on Instagram. But to be sure, what you can do is simply open any browser and tap on instagram.com slash the username of the person who you think have blocked you. As you can see, when I have searched their profile through a different browser, I can see their followers list and also the following list. But when I go back to my account and see their profile, I cannot see their profile details, and neither I can send them the follow request. So it means that they have blocked me. So in this way you can check if someone has blocked you. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. In case of any queries or recommendations, feel free to reach out to us through the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.